Another overlapping sets question. So as usual, we'll use the Carroll diagram to solve this. In this case, we're talking about doctors and lawyers. So apparently there's some doctors who are also lawyers. Seems a bit excessive if you ask me. But anyway, there's a group of 50 people total. You'll have your doctors, you'll have your non-doctors in total, and we'll have the lawyers, non-lawyers in total. And the total is 50. We want to know how many are both doctors and lawyers. I imagine it's a pretty small number, but maybe that's just me. Statement 1 tells us the total number of doctors is 36, so we could infer from that there are 14 non-doctors, but how many doctor-lawyers are there? I have no idea. So statement 1 on its own is not sufficient, and we can go ahead and eliminate A, D. Now statement 2 on its own is kind of symmetric, right? It gives us the number of lawyers, so we could infer from that the number of non-lawyers, but how many doctor-lawyers are there? It's very similar to what we had with statement 1, and it's not going to be sufficient on its own either, so we can go ahead and eliminate B. Now, even if we combine these statements, we do know now all of the numbers in the bottom row, and we know all of the numbers in the right column, but how are we going to find the both and cell? That top left cell remains impossible to find because we don't have a path to get there with an inference. So even combined, these statements are not sufficient, and the correct answer is E. If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.